Cirrhosis. Introduction. Which of the following is a function of the liver? Choose one of the following options. 1. Gets rid of toxins. 2. Processes fats and sugar. 3. Produces blood clotting substances. 4. All of the above. Correct. The liver does all of these things. It also helps produce bile. The liver is an important organ of the body. Cirrhosis happens when the liver becomes scarred. Select true or false. Correct. Cirrhosis means the liver has become too scarred to function normally. Scar tissue may develop because of injury to the liver or long-term disease. Cirrhosis always causes symptoms early on in the disease. Select true or false. Correct. Some people have no early symptoms. Regularly or excessively drinking alcohol can cause cirrhosis. Select true or false. Correct. People who drink excessive amounts of alcohol or use drugs may develop cirrhosis. Special medications can cure cirrhosis. Select true or false. Correct. There is no cure for cirrhosis, but managing the cause can keep cirrhosis from getting worse. Not drinking alcohol can help prevent cirrhosis. Select true or false. Correct. There are many healthy lifestyle choices you can make to help prevent cirrhosis. Not drinking alcohol and maintaining a healthy weight are two of them. Thank you for using Explain.